What's going on, guys? Today I gonna show you how to make a strong password. So I gonna show it as fast as possible. Let's start. This is a website by which you can check your password strength and use this password anywhere you wish. First of all, we just need to know the minimum condition of a strong password. So, strong password must contain 1. At least 8 characters. 2. Minimum 1 uppercase letter. 3. Minimum 1 lowercase letter. 4. Number. 5. Symbol. And avoid sequences or repeated characters in your passwords. Let's check. Here I type TOM and ampersand symbol. JERRY symbol. 2022. So this is strong password because fulfills the minimum condition of a strong password. The reason is explained on the display. Watch it. Yeah, that's all for today. Hope this video helps you more and help you to make strong password further easily. Leave a like if you liked and a sub if you loved. See you soon again with another one. Thanks for watching with valuable time.
Hush.